This is going to be a video review of the At a Glance 2019 My Month calendar booklet that I picked up on Amazon. I just did a review about a week ago of the small pocket-sized version of this. This comes in two different sizes. This is the 7 by 9, almost 7 by 10, and I think there's like one that's maybe an inch bigger, 8 by 10 or 11 or something like that. So you can pick this up on Amazon. You can also go buy it in the store. The problem with buying it in the store is you're buying it almost from the same company, and it's about twice the price. So you're better off picking it up on Amazon. I don't use this. I buy it for my mom each year. We used to go in the store and buy this until I didn't want to go in the store one year, and I said, let me buy it on Amazon, and I couldn't believe how cheap it was to buy. So let's go look at it, and we'll see what is in this book. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info, and make sure you watch all my other videos. So here we go. This is the front page. I'm just going to show you what's in the booklet. Now, we have December and February, so you've got the month before and after on the page. You've got your holidays. Now the pocketbook, the one that I just did the review on, inside each box it lists the day, the actual number of the day for that year, and how many days are remaining. We don't have that in the full-size booklet. I'm not sure why they didn't put that in there. And I'm not sure why they put it in the other one. So this is February. Let's go over and look at March. And I think there are a lot more pages at the end besides December. I think there's one more month, and then there's probably some notes section or address section that you can fill in if you want to. So we've got June. Normally I do this on a tripod, but in this case I'm moving all around the page, making everybody dizzy. So there's August. September. October. November. December. Okay, so we're at the end of the year. What do we have after that? January, and then I think that's it. We might have some a map of the time zones or something. We got some notes. We've got a list of the holidays for the year, days to remember, 2018, 2019, 2020, addresses, and then we always have to have the time zone map of the year, and that's the book. So this is going to be the number over here. And I think I'm going to put an Amazon link in the description if you want to get it. If you click on that link, it might help me out a little bit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy 2019. 2019.